Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 weight loss machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, no N-name _ null Q48561. Specifications. Brand name, no N-name _ null. Origin, mainland China. Certification, C. Model number, Q48561. The item number 2 is Kesamati Sculpting Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Kesamati. Origin, mainland China. Item type, massage and relaxation. Application, body. Material, ABS. Certification, C. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Indiba Weight Loss Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Dubni. Origin, mainland China. Item type, massage and relaxation. Application, body. Certification, C. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.